Years ago, about 10 years ago, a friend of mine was in an accident at his job, and he's from Iraq, and it's very hard to find and someone that really listens and cares, especially with the language barrier. So we stumbled across Ben's number, and I reached out to him, and surprisingly, he spoke a little bit of Arabic, and that made us kind of comfortable to talk with him. And my friend, English was not that well. He doesn't speak English well, so I translated for him. So that made the process a lot easier to talk with Ben, knowing that he understood the language, and just made the transition very, very easy for us. And seeing how that progress and how much he helped my friend out, I kept his number. So anybody I knew that needed some sort of legal help, I always recommended Ben to them, and we became very good friends. He helped me, he helped a lot of my family members on any legal issues that we had. Years later, I had a case of my own. My wife and I were in a car accident. She was 5 months pregnant with my son, and we were very afraid that she lost the kid. We were rushed to the hospital, and a couple of hours on, everything is fine. The kid was fine, and we ended up going home. Our car was destroyed. The car we were in was destroyed, and it was a 3 or 4 car accident. So there's 3-4 insurance companies involved, and they gave us a nightmare. They didn't want to do anything for us for the loss of our car. So I reached out to Ben immediately, and he immediately set up an appointment to come into the office to see him. He started calling the insurance companies. The agents were calling us on a daily basis from different insurance companies that were involved in the accident. And they were trying to get us to agree to certain things we didn't understand, and they were asking us a bunch of questions. So when I reached out to Ben said, come into the office. I came in. He immediately pulled the police report. He started reaching out to all the agents that were calling us that were involved in the case. And he said, from this point on, I'm your point of contact. You do not reach or call my client for anything. Any questions, any concerns you have, you reach out to me directly. And that took a lot of pressure off of us, because we didn't know how to handle it. We didn't know what to say and what to do in situations like that. He got on it immediately and made the process smooth sail from there. He directed us in the right direction, what chiropractors or what type of treatments we needed to get for my wife, and he made that process very, very easy for us, because we didn't know where to go. We didn't know who to talk to, and he helped us out tremendously.